Declan Rice.
Alright guys, we're here at Bamboo. We're going to watch the England match with everyone. See Wagwan, you know the vibe. So yeah, very busy in here today. Have a little look around.
Which in itself suggests that they won't be as defensive as England's last two opponents, because they played
nice and busy
against Portugal and against Colombia. They were hard to break down. But I think the confidence has grown after late on in the game, second half.
Very nice and busy here today. Thank you.
In their results against Colombia, Portugal.
So we're on the Guinness tonight.
And we'll do a quick cheers.
It's been a little like Tuchel's own mantra. They are a team. Chance to shoot.
Come on, England! Woo!
It's a lovely place, Bamboo.
That's good.
This place actually was advised to us from Andy, our good friend Andy. He said come to Bamboo, and now we're here.
Oh,
2
yeah,
nights.
and Rachel had a lovely, Rachel had a birthday meal here, didn't she?
Yeah, it was lovely.
I assume you might have said that at the start as well. Just inviting the challenge now.
Come on, Bev.
And he's earned it.
Yeah, free kick.
He actually touched it too far ahead.
Right, so we're at 37 minutes.
But by that point, Mokel was
Getting a bit dark at the moment. I can see it's getting a bit dark on the screen.
missed it. Konsa headed it.
Let's get it out of there. Let's get it out.
It's clear, sort of.
Get it out.
Buku. Off O'Reilly, DR Congo up a corner.
Yeah, what's your guy's name?
My wife Rhea, and I'm Richard.
Oh, lovely to meet you, Richard. Nice little shout out. Wagwan, exactly. I think England win.
You have Axel Twanzebe. Was an England prospect. Aaron Wan-Bissaka similar.
Right, we got about 4 minutes, maybe an extra 5 minutes at a time. So maybe 10 minutes to try and get another goal so we can equalise.
Buku, supported by Wan-Bissaka.
Oh!
We should be 2-0 down. What was that? What was that?
You summed it up. Rice. Konsa.
Come on! Come on!
Intensity is unpassable. An easy catch to follow. Well, he's certainly been a talking point in passing this first half, hasn't he?
Get in there! Come on, England.
Here's it. Saka has to be good.
Come on.
He's too hard for Bellingham.
Look at his hand, look at his hand.
Look at this now. For Witser. Had to be everything he could get on that from Patrick Konsa.
Took ball control from Witser. Done some running this afternoon and chasing and trying to put in pressure.
Kane doesn't quite get it right for Bellingham.
Alright, so that jackass on the camera, fucking jackass.
Chasing and trying to put in pressure.
Kane doesn't quite get it right for Bellingham.
not sitting back, DR Congo, are they? Trying to get men forward as quick as possible when they've got the ball.
Ujasami.
He's deft. He's very good man.
Bongonda. Kayembe.
Say something over there, but who cares?
Towards Ilya. Take on Declan Rice, perhaps.
Excuse me, we are in Bamboo restaurant.
Twanzebe.
Yeah.
Rice. Not in an attacking place. Now it's Anderson. Saka.
No, correct. Ahmed, I let's go.
Saka plus one. Still got quite a bit to do.
It's okay, no. It's on.
Saka. Anderson.
Excuse me.
Here's Gay.
I'm from Icmeler, Marmaris. Excuse me. We are in Bamboo restaurant. Look how busy we are. Always. All the time. We are the best. For the rest. Wait, how is Jordan?
Staying up as much as he can now. Anderson's going to watch this very, very carefully.
Yes.
Back comes Conson.
I'm gonna show you all around Bamboo now. Yes. How busy we are.
Anderson through to Harry Kane. Ezra is inside. And stopped by Axel Twanzebe, who has had a game.
Been brilliant. Being one of the men on the side here and left. Anderson.
We have whose screen?
Gordon well attacking those.
Very huge screen. We paid $10,000. Oh my God, shit.
Got no chance to deal with that one.
Well, I can be YouTuber very well, I promise.
Carway, Thomas, surely.
I'm gonna be YouTuber.
Inside here and left.
Anderson. Gordon well attacking those, not really his skill set.
Not at that pace or height. Got no chance to deal with that one.
Who's going to
Backdoor burglars.
and try and win this game before it's
Come on!
for England?
It's it! Oh! It's it!
Gordon takes up the mantle.
Come on! Shoot! Come on! Get in there! Hey, go!
Woo! 2-1.
No release from Axel Twanzebe. Free kick England. Just how has he fallen on him? That's the question. The corner.
That would do, that would do.
Congo throw in.
Bobby does that.
Still over 2 minutes to play.
Alright, go on, sit down.
Bongonda. Riley was with him. Here's Twanzebe. Sadiki now operating at left back. Mbemba. He's going long. He's seen the run of Evia here. Colson heads out. Saka has to make sure with the next bit. Just got to it first to win a throw-in. Throw-in for England.
Winner! Guys, come on. Yeah! Right, guys. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.
Bye.